Hi students, let us continue our lesson, the Golden Age, Gupta Empire. In our last class, we studied related as the Golden Age features of the Gupta Empire. We completed their society and economy. The next feature of the Gupta Empire, as it was known as the Golden Age of Indian history, that is their religious life. What was the features of their religious concepts and life? The Gupta kings were the followers of Lord Vishnu. Vishnu devotees, actually all the Gupta rulers. They patronized Vaishnavism. Vishnu, devoted of Vishnu. That means their religious concept was known as Vaishnavism. Temples were constructed to worship the various Hindu deities. A lot of importance was given to the worship of or avataras or incarnations of Lord Vishnu. We know that 10 avatara or incarnations of Lord Vishnu. The concept of bhakti or selfless devotion to God became popular during this period. Means bhakti was very strongly imparted along with the life of the people, and worship was simple, inexpensive, and based on the faith and love of the devotee, and it attracted a large number of followers. The religious life was attracted a large number of followers. Especially all the kings were very tolerant towards the other religion, especially the most important other religions were during that time Buddhism and Jainism. Already we studied now during the 6th century BC, India witnessed for the emergence of two new religious concepts. Very deeply we studied that Buddhism and Jainism. So the kings were, Gupta kings were tolerant towards Buddhism and Jainism. Next, that was their scientific progress of the Gupta rulers or Gupta period. One by one, two, three small topics are there. Astronomy in the field of mathematics and in the field of metallurgy. First one, astronomy. And Aryabhatta, Varahamihira and Brahmagupta were the well-known astronomers and mathematicians during the Gupta period. Aryabhatta, Varahamihira and Brahmagupta. Aryabhatta was the first Indian astronomer to declare that the earth revolves on its axis. That was the contribution of Aryabhatta, and also moves around the sun. Varahamihira proved that moon rotates around the earth and the earth rotates around the sun. That was Varahamihira. And Brahmagupta described the laws of gravitation and several centuries before Newton. That was found out by Brahmagupta in the field of astronomy. Aryabhatta, Varahamihira and Brahmagupta were the most important astronomers during the Gupta period. Next, in the field of mathematics, Indian mathematicians were the first to develop in the field of mathematics was the invention of decimal system and zero. It was first invented by the Indian mathematicians. Their present Arabic numerals were developed by the Indian mathematicians. They were later on adopted by the Arabs. Actually, the Arabic numbers, it was first used and invented by the Indian mathematicians. Later only it was adopted by the Arabs. Next, in the field of metallurgy. Metallurgy means scientific study of metals. That is metallurgy. That is the scientific study of metals had reached on advanced stage during the Gupta period. Already we studied that one of their contribution. The iron pillar at Mehrauli in Delhi weighs over 3 tons and is 7.2 meter height. Though it was constructed about 1500 years ago and it has not rusted in all these years. We know that one of the very wonderful contribution of the Gupta Empire. We don't know what was the mixing they used. It was not rusted now also. What was the mixing used with the iron? It is iron pillar and we know that almost 1500 years ago it was built, construction was over, and gold and silver coins minted during the Gupta period, and other examples of superb metallurgical skills possessed by the Gupta artists. Remember, scientific progress in the field of astronomy, role of Aryabhatta, contribution of Varahamihira and Brahmagupta, very important, and the invention of decimal system and zero system, and also scientific study of metals. Metallurgy means the scientific study of metals. Many more 1 mark questions are there. Today only we completed the two features of their society, social status, religious life of the Gupta period, and also scientific progress or contributions of the Gupta period. Okay, thank you.